everyone, it's Lisa. Happy Friday. I do not have as much to show you as I usually do, but I feel like I have some good quality things that you will love, and most of them I have had a chance to try out, so that always makes it good. I've had them, you know, for a while here. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to show you is what I'm wearing on my eyes now. Let me put my mirror here. And it was a couple of different things. The glitter is one of the Stila little glitter shadows that everyone should have at least one. If you're gonna get one, get Kitten Karma. But they're so much fun to like dress up a look. And then the palette I'm wearing is something that I had to order from Chanel because where I live, we just don't have any great big department stores. I did call Vernon at my Chanel counter and he said they didn't get this collection, but I think it was like the cruise collection, but it's this eyeshadow palette from Chanel. And I was watching a girl on Instagram. I can't remember even who it was at this point. I need to write that down, but you know how when you get to, you know, you go down the rabbit hole and you're watching person after person, but she was using this palette and it just looked like a good one, and it is. Every shadow in here is just so pigmented. I was able to really, I wanted to do kind of a dramatic, I was watching videos like on old 90s supermodel videos, like real videos of them modeling and stuff, and I just love 90s makeup, like the good old Naomi Campbell, just, who else am I trying to think of? Linda Evangelista, and just all of those models. So that's kind of what I did my makeup like this morning. And I used this palette. And it is just, I hope that you can see just how beautiful it is. It just has the prettiest rich browns, and I used, it's set up like 3 little palettes, but I start with this one and then I do a little bit of this one and then I did a little bit of that one, like on the lid. I think I used that little light color on my lid. But if you like Chanel palettes, this one was, I think it was $75, but it is like 3 palettes in one, and it's just so nice. The only thing, I'm gonna get y'all's opinion, when I got it, it was broken. See how this little shadow right here is broken, and it's like, it's on my mirror, and I don't know, should I tell them about that or should I return it? I don't know, I'm just scared it's gonna keep on breaking is the only thing I was worried about. So I ordered that from Chanel. Then I took my little Chanel palette that I had in my favorites, the Obscure. It's the real simple matte one that I love, and I took it over to my mom for her to try. I took that and the Groundwork paint pot, and they both looked good on her. And so when I was in Ulta, I thought, I wonder if they have that palette here. I'll just grab another one and just get mine back and give her the new one. And they didn't have that one, but they have this one, which is similar, and I think I've seen people say they love this one. It's the Candor Experience 268, and I have not had a chance to use this one yet, but it looks really pretty too. And it's got more of that red tone and the camel tone. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Camel palette with that one tone in there, and it's just really, really pretty. I think I'm gonna like this, and I'm gonna experiment with that red color like on my outer V and just see how that goes. But I really do think I've seen a lot of people say this was one of their favorites. So I grabbed that. It's so nice having Chanel at Ulta because I'm in there so much, it's close. And a lot of times I'll take Brooke a drink or something when I'm out, so it's easy to look over there. And then the other day I did a tutorial with the blue, and I'll link it up here, and it was with one of these shadows. And so I've shown you the gray, the blue, and the pink, and I also got the Midnight Espresso. It's so hard for me not to put the X in there, Espresso. And I think this is gonna be perfect for a good, easy smoky eye, because it is that deep, dark chocolate color. I'll swatch it for you and show you how easy it blends out. So I'm gonna put that little dot on my hand and show you how easy it is. See how easy when you like blend it out, it just blends so smooth and the edges look so smooth. That makes it so easy to just put on your lid, and then you could even put this in the crease. Ooh, if I was brave, I would do that, but I'm just not that brave because I've got an appointment at 11 o'clock. But that is beautiful, and that is just like the perfect like cocoa chocolate tone. I cannot wait to use that. I'll probably use this tomorrow. And I mean, it's going to be one of those easy ones that you can probably just do one and done and put your mascara on and go. So these, I just love them. So if you're into any color, like the green or something like that, the purple, I think you need to try these. I just went to go take this off real quick, and it looks like they're pretty waterproof because all I did was wet a paper towel, and it is not coming off, but that's okay. Okay, then when I was in, I think I actually saw this either in an email or on the flyer that came from Ulta, but it's this new Nars palette. And I have not loved anything for a long time like I have loved that Nars Skin Deep. I wasn't as crazy about the next two palettes that came out, the Summer Heat or Summer Nights. You guys know the next ones. They just weren't as pigmented and creamy, but this one is. And it's like a full, let's see what it's called here. I've got the packaging. Make Up Your Mind, Express Yourself. And it is a full palette. It's got Luster Blush, Laguna Bronzer, Orgasm Blush, Dolce Vita. So they put, you know, good, solid colors in there. And then the shadows they used are also really good colors. It's Hammamet, Nepal, Fuse, Pattaya, Fez, Tropical Express, Mekong, and Sophia. So just really good classic colors. So this is a good palette that, oh, I mean, just look at that. This color right here, what is that color? Let me see if I can figure out. Is that Sophia? It must be Sophia. Even if you need to get this color just on its own, that color is just gorgeous. It is so velvety and beautiful and pigmented in the crease. It is just gorgeous. This whole palette is beautiful. Even those sparkle shadows are just, oh, of course I had to put it on that one that I just, but they're like velvety. They're not like scratchy. You know, some like sparkle shadows are just like scratchy and dry and you can barely get them to stay on your lid. Okay, now I'm really going to go get a makeup wipe. But so if you are in Ulta or thinking you might want, you know, to try some of these, this is a great palette and it would be a great gift too. Okay, and then the next thing, I'm so into eyeshadow palettes for some reason. I think it's because I watch all these glamorous tutorials. But anyway, I have never tried any of the KKW palettes. So I ordered, I felt like it was a pretty basic one. It was one that someone was using. The packaging is kind of hard to read because it's so tone on tone. It just says KKW eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure which one this is. I'm not sure, but I will link it down below. And to be honest with you, I have not even used this yet. I was drawn to that color, and I think what it is this color. Someone was saying how good these two colors were together, and it was a really, really natural look, and I think that's what got me to order this. And it took a while. It took over a week to get here, so I can't remember who it was, but I am going to try this and I'll let you know. Just really pretty colors. And so I think that may be it for the eyeshadows. Here it is. This is I actually got this a couple weeks ago and I just kept forgetting to show you. It is the Pillow Talk Diamonds. And that is what, let me pull you. I do have on Bronzelle by Lancome. Bronzelle is a perfect color to go with any of your like light nudie pinks, especially if they have a little bit of a blue tone. That Bronzelle will kind of make them a little bit more wearable. And this is really pretty. Now, if you are scared of shimmer, you need to just not even think about this because it is nothing but shimmer, but it is so pretty. It really does look like it's just as creamy as it can be. It has no feeling of glitter, shimmer, or anything in it, but it just gives your lips just that beautiful color, and it looks really good over other things. It's just really, really pretty. Let me see if you can see the actual color. I want to hold it up like that. I love it. I love it. And like I said, I did my favorite Charlotte Tilbury video yesterday. And then the next thing that I want to show you, and I want to, before I show you this, something I should have, let me back up. Okay, before I show you this, something I should have put in my favorites are the 2 bras that I bought from Negative Underwear. Actually, I have 3. I have the nude and the black in the one that doesn't have a wire, and then the other one I have on. So I will link those down below. Just amazing bras. So comfortable, give you the perfect look. I mean, just love them. I wish you'll notice that I wear my little bralette a lot from Walmart, and that is because it has that teeny tiny little skinny strap, and that goes so well with anything that is, you know, has a little strap or something like that. But I don't love the way those make me look the most, because it gives me, you know, it just doesn't give you any support or anything. So I kept seeing this one, and I'm sure you have too, on Instagram and in the magazines. It's that Cuup cup. And so I ordered it. It came with a nice like lingerie bag to wash the bra in. And I ordered this one. And I love these bras so much, the balconette style. And here, yeah, let me hold it by the strap so you can see it. But, and I have worn it, let me show you, it's very sheer, very, very sexy. The only thing I can say is I've only worn it once, so it's going to like give a little bit and like mold to my shape. I will say, I'm always looking for something that kind of doesn't, I don't want to be pushed up and have a bunch of cleavage and stuff. I almost want to be, I hate to say the word minimized, but I want just good natural shape. Almost as if I'm not wearing a bra, but I am. This does that. It definitely gives you that good natural, no padding, no push up. The only thing is, because it goes so straight across, I did have a little bit of double boob. But I'm thinking after I wear it for a little bit, it might give a little bit and mold a little bit more to my shape. So I'll keep you posted, but my goodness, it is a beautiful, I mean, just the feel of it is like so silky. Even though it's this mesh, it is just beautiful. I love beautiful bras and underwear. I think it's just, for me, I just love the way they look when I look at them. So that has just always been something I loved. So I think that is it. I'm wearing that what is the name of this dress? Ellen Tracy wrap dress that I went and got in the small. And so I'm going to stand up and show you how it looks. I'm so glad I did that. It looks so much better in the small. And do an outfit of the day and then let you go. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the dress. And, oh, my necklace just flew around here. This necklace looks really good with dresses, period, but especially with like a V-neck. And so this one, it forced me to tie it on the side. The little strap wasn't long enough to come in the middle, but that's okay. It looks pretty, and you could even put your own, excuse me, you could even put your own belt with this. And I just think, I love ruffles. I love the black. I love the silky fabric. This is just an amazing dress to have in your closet, to wear to just, gosh, you could wear it to work. You could wear it to an event. It's a great first date dress. Date night out dress. It's just a really good dress to have, and you could put it with so many different shoes. Today I'm putting it with my little Gucci kitten heel slides that I just got when I was in Atlanta. And so, and it's just, to me, it's just so easy to throw this on and really look pretty. And I love the sleeves, the fluttery sleeves. It's just perfect. And then for accessories, this necklace is actually, I don't know if you can tell, it's Sheila Fajl, and I may end up carrying this on my website, so I'll have the link down below no matter where I get it. I have to ask her if they even still have any. I got it when I was visiting her. And so it's rose gold. So I just kept it on with my little necklace that I'm not taking off from Oliver. And this necklace is actually adjustable. And I've got it on the smallest one. Okay, the chain's gotten wrapped around because I literally sleep in it and shower in it and everything. but it does adjust to, I believe, 18 inches and 20 inches, if that, you know, is something that you want to do. The first time I wore it long, but it's seeming to go with everything better when I wear it at the 16 inch, and then those are the 2 diamonds. And then the earrings I have are my rose gold Celine hoops from Stila, and then I put on my rose gold ring that I got from my parents. It's rose gold with diamonds, and then I mixed it with some of my Miranda Fry, just the little simple, here they are, the little simple bands that have the diamonds, just to mix up the rose and the regular gold on my hand too. My nail polish is one of my favorite reds. It's the Essie Lacquered Up. It just, oh, that polish, it just goes on so easily. It's just perfect, the perfect consistency. This is the perfect red. And my fragrance today, I'm gonna wear no, I'm not gonna do the Mason, I'm gonna do the Arizona today. A lot of times I just go to those because they're good, but they're not overpowering. So when I'm, like today I'm going to an appointment, I don't wanna make the person start coughing or anything. That happened to me one time with Chanel Chance. This girl I was sitting there talking to her, and she started coughing and had to move. She could not stand it. It was so embarrassing. And I hope that you have a great weekend. Please subscribe and ring the bell. When you ring the bell down below, what it does is it just gives you an email and gives you a note every time I upload a video. And I know, like, that helps with me. Like, I see every time Tammy uploads a video. And so if you'll please do that, please subscribe, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.